Hi everyone, welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. Today I am with a new and important topic, bar bending schedule basics. Before going to start this point, we have to know about the importance of this topic. Bar bending schedule. Bar bending schedule is the process of cutting and bending reinforcement bar into required shape. First point, crank-up bar. Crank-up bar is provided to make RCC slab safe from compressive stresses. When these bars are provided, the strength and deformation capacity of slab with bent outwards compared to without bent outwards is sufficiently increased. Basically, the importance of crank-up bar is to resist negative bending moment or hugging moment, as we all know. Crank-up bars are of different types. Here I described about the 45-degree bent up bars, but there are many types, just like 90-degree and 135-degree, 45-degree, 180-degree, etc. And here the angle is 45-degree and the crank length is 0.42 D, where D is the depth of the beam or slab without clear cover, and length is the L is the length of beam or slab. Number 2, lapping length. As we all know, bars are coming with certain length. For the long length, in case of slab or beam or column, we should join one bar with another bar to make a longer span, which is define the lapping length. And this formula for the tensile member is 40D, where D is the diameter of the bar. And here is for compression member, whose lapping length can be calculated by using the formula 50D. D is the diameter of this bar. In case of a column, here is one bar and here is another bar, and is jointed with a point which is called lapping length, which is the lapping length, and the value is 50D. D is the diameter of this bar. Next, third point, bend length. In case of a column, the base is bent like this and the bent length should be 16D, where D is the diameter of this bar. Another important point and the last point, hook's length. Hook lengths can be used in everywhere, just like beam, column, and with the stirrups. Here this is the stirrups and these are the main bars, and here this is the hook length, which has the value of 90. D is the diameter of this bar. And if you want to calculate this, choose hook length, then we should multiply with 2 to get this 2 value. Hope you understand those points which I have described, and thank you for watching this video.